I've always been fascinated by how things are built and how good design can quietly improve people's lives, even the parts you don't see behind the walls or under the ground. Back home in the Philippines, I studied design engineering, mostly on the mechanical side, but coming to Victoria opened my eyes to what civil construction design could do. At Melbourne Metropolitan College, I learned from incredible lecturers who share everything they know. My vet studies helped me turn theory into practice, teaching me about safety, collaboration, and the real-world impact of engineering. The only way to have gained this type of knowledge is by dedicating your life to a field. So I feel like I have generations of knowledge and experience being handed on to me. Studying in Victoria gave me the confidence to step into the industry. I've since worked with Safety Champion Software and now with Rise Group, helping design and implement hydraulic systems for projects like Collins Wharf and the Raleigh. Moving here alone was challenging, so I joined clubs and societies to build connections. That one decision changed everything. I went from being shy at my first event to taking on leadership roles and helping other students find their place. My advice to new students is simple. Never hesitate to ask for help and keep building your network. With perseverance and community, you'll go further than you think.